Good evening and welcome to Wednesday. So this is week 2. So we have Pao Chicken. It's a hot and spicy chicken dish. So what I have done is I have marinated the chicken in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, cornstarch, rice wine and white pepper and kept it for an hour in the fridge. For the sauce, what I stirred in is vinegar, sugar, sesame oil, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. So that's for our sauce. And the rest of the ingredients are, we need some celery. This is Sichuan peppercorns crushed. This is for garnish, the green part of the scallions. This is a mixture of ginger, garlic, and oil. 1 tablespoon of oil. This is the white part of the onion, green onion. I have 15 red chilies and then some peanuts that I will toast. So that's all for the ingredients, and obviously we need some oil. So let us start cooking the Kung Pao chicken. So I'm heating a pan over medium heat, and I'll pour a teaspoon of oil into this and put in the peanuts. So we'll fry this till it has a little bit of golden color. It'll take a few minutes, but don't go away from this because otherwise it will burn. Okay, as you can see, it has turning color. So at this point I'll just take it out. I don't want it to burn. So put the gas off and just take it out and spread it on a plate so that it can cool. Leave the oil in here because we'll be using the same oil and a little bit more to start the preparation of the chicken. Okay, so I've removed the peanuts. So in this I'm going to put another tablespoon of oil. And then put in the red chilies. This is about 15 red chilies. And the peppercorn. This is Sichuan peppercorn crushed. And we'll fry that for a minute or so till the red chilies become dark, a little darker. So now that this is done, I'm going to put the garlic and ginger mixture with the oil, and then about 30 seconds. Till it's fragrant. So at this point we want to add the chicken. So turn the heat up a little bit. And put it on like one flat round so that it crisps up one side, and then we'll turn it around. So this is smelling really good. This is about 1 minute. I'm going to turn the chicken over. You can see it's just browned a little bit, and that's fine. You don't need too much browning on this. And then I will spread this out again on an even layer on the other side. And I'll put in the whites of the onions on top here. And then I'll cover this and cook for another minute. So at this point I'll take off the cover and just mix it around. Oh, it smells beautiful here. So this should be spicy. And then I'm going to put in the celery. And then push this stirring constantly till the chicken is completely cooked. So that should take about 3 to 4 minutes. And once the chicken is cooked, then I'm going to add the sauce that I had made. So at this point the chicken is done. I'm going to put in the sauce. Just stir it up a little bit. So the chicken had cornstarch in it, so that should thicken the sauce. So you should see a shiny sauce here. For a few minutes. This is a fast dish. It should be done in just 1 or 2 minutes here. So you can see that there is a shiny sauce here that has been created. So let's taste it. So let's test it to see if the chicken is done and the sauce. The chicken is done. The heat level is really good. The sauce has thickened. So the last thing to add here is the peanuts. So I'll add the peanuts. Stir it around, and then I have some garnish. I'll keep some for garnish in the table. So here we go. So that's it, folks. So here you go. This is the Kung Pao chicken. So I will put in a little bit of garnish here. And then, so for today we are serving this with rice, but you can certainly serve it with noodles as well. So that's it, folks. That's Kung Pao chicken with rice. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Please comment and subscribe. And share the link with your friends. Hopefully you will like the Kung Pao chicken and come and visit us tomorrow for another lovely dish. So I normally post my videos at around 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time US. Thank you.